Hey you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Happy Sunday. So today I have a Walgreens haul for you guys. Everything that you see right here was completely free for me, plus a $9.25 moneymaker. These deals started today, which is September 19th, and they are good up until Saturday, September 25th. But before I get into these deals, if you are new to this channel and you are not subscribe to me, I would really appreciate if you will go ahead and click that red subscribe button along with the notification bell so that you will be aware of each and every time that I upload new videos. With that being said, let's go ahead and get right into these deals. Okay, you guys, so for this transaction, I used a digital booster, get $10 in Walgreens cash when you spend $50. And then I also used a paper booster, get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. Now, at first, you guys, my transaction was a disaster. I had a lot of items not ringing up at the sale price, so I had the cashier print off the receipt for me to see where the issues were. We found the issues, and so she had to re-ring everything up for me, and everything worked out just fine. So we are going to go ahead and get started. So right here I have this Febreze plug-in warmer. You guys ignore my nails. So I have this Febreze plug-in warmer. This is priced at Walgreens this week for $3. We do have a $3 digital coupon, making this completely free. So this is a nice, easy freebie deal to do this week at Walgreens, y'all. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 of these Febreze Fabrics, and these are priced at Walgreens for 2 for $6. This was one of the items that actually rung up the incorrect price for me. I think these rung up for like $4.99 or something, but they are priced at 2 for $6. We do have a 3 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, so $6 minus that $3 digital coupon will bring your total down to just $3 for both, or it will make each one just $1.50. So this is a really good stock up deal to do on the Febreze. And then with the Tide products, I went ahead and I grabbed a Tide Pod, 2 of the Downy Tide liquids, and then I grabbed 1 of the Downy fabric softeners. So with the Tide products this week, they are priced at $4.49, and the deal is when you buy 3, you will get 1 free. So what you're going to want to do is purchase 3. So I purchased the Tide Pod because I went to the PG Good Everyday website and printed off a $2 coupon. I also printed off a $2 coupon for the Tide liquid. Hey guys, so I just realized that I did not mention that I printed off a $1 printable coupon from the PG Good Everyday website for the Downy. So I had a printable coupon for the Tide Pods, 1 of the Tide liquids, and then a Downy fabric softener. My second Tide liquid that I had, that was actually my free item. So I'm just now noticing that I did not mention that, so I wanted to go ahead and make sure I let you guys know that. So that's a total of $5 in coupons that I used. So $4.49 times 3 is $13.47. I used $5 in coupons, so $13.47 minus the $5 in coupons. That brought the total down to just $8.47 for all 4 products, or it makes each one just $2.12 each, which is not bad. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 3 of the Crest Pro Health Advanced toothpaste, and these are priced at Walgreens this week for $3. The deal is you will get $5 in Walgreens cash when you buy 3. So I purchased 3 at $3, and they brought my total to $9. There is a 5 off of 3 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $9 minus that $5 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just $4. And then when you buy 3, you will receive back $5 in Walgreens cash, which I did receive. So that made this transaction, so that made those toothpaste completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And then next up, I went ahead and I grabbed 2 bottles of Tresemme, the shampoo and the conditioner, and then I also grabbed this Oral-B toothbrush with it. So with the Tresemme, they are priced at 2 for $10 this week. And then the Oral-B is priced at $3. So $10 plus the $3, that's a total of $13. The deal is when you buy 3, you will receive $5 in Walgreens cash rewards. So we do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Tresemme. And then we have a $2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app for the Oral-B toothbrush. So that's a total of $6 in digital coupons. So $13 minus the $6 in digital coupons, that brought my total down to just $7. And then when you buy buy 3, you will receive back $5, which I did receive back that $5. So that brought my total down to just $2 for all 3 items, or it makes each item just 66 cents. And then next up, I have this Dollar Shave Club shave cream. And so this is priced at Walgreens for $6.99. We do have a $1.50 digital coupon on the Walgreens app. So $6.99 minus that $1.50 digital coupon, that brought my total down to just $5.49. And then when you buy 1, you will receive $2 in Walgreens cash. So $5.49 minus that $2 that I received in Walgreens cash, that brought my total down to just $1.49. Then I got some points back on Fetch Rewards. Fetch Rewards is giving back $1 on here. So $3.49 minus that $1 that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to just $2.49. But then when you check SHOPKICK, SHOPKICK has some 25 scan kicks and then 950 buy kicks. So 950 plus 25 kicks, that's a total of 975 kicks, which equals to $3.90. So $2.49 minus that $3.90 that I got back from SHOPKICK, that made this shave cream completely free, plus a $1.41 moneymaker. So this is a really good deal, you guys. And then next up, I just went ahead and I grabbed these Airhead filled ropes. And these are priced at Walgreens for $1.49. When you buy 1, you will get back a $1.49 registry reward, making them completely free. And I did receive that $1.49 registry reward right here. And when you check IBOTTA, IBOTTA has a $1 rebate. So these will actually be completely free, plus a $1 moneymaker. And then lastly, you guys, I have 5 of these little small Mentos gum. And this is the, what ounce is this? I don't know, you guys, but these are the super small ones. So these are priced at Walgreens for 79 cents and I purchased 5. So 79 cents times 5 is $3.95. Checkout 51 has a rebate for 75 cents back. The limit is 5 and I purchased 5. So 75 times 5 is $3.75. So when you purchase all 5 at 79 cents, that's going to bring your total to $3.95. You're going to submit your receipt to checkout 51 for $3.75 back. That's going to bring your total all the way down to just 20 cents for all 5 of these, or it makes each one just 4 cents, which is an amazing deal, you guys. So that is everything that I got in this transaction. So let me just go ahead and show you guys my receipt really quick. So as you can see, the Airheads rung up at $1.49. Both of the Tresemme rung up at 2 for $10. My Febreze plug-in warmer $3, Oral-B $3. The Mentos, all 4 of them rung up at 79 cents, so $3.16. Here is the 5th one. My Dollar Shave rung up at $6.99. The Febreze rung up at 2 for $6. Tide, they had to enter it in at the right price, so 2 at $4.49. Tide Pod at $4.49, and then a Downy ended up being free. All 3 of my Crest rung up at $3, and then both of my Colgate I forgot to mention the Colgate. So the Colgate is priced at $2.99. The deal is when you buy 2, you will receive $2 in Walgreens cash. So you're going to purchase 2 at $2.99, and that's going to bring your total to $5.98. We do have a 4 off of 2 digital coupon on the Walgreens app, bringing your total down to just $1.98. And because you purchased 2, you will get back $2 in Walgreens cash rewards, making both of those completely free, plus a 2-cent moneymaker. So as you guys can see where it says point coupon purchase, that is my paper boosters. Get $7 in Walgreens cash when you spend $35. So all 3 of the Crest, so there was a $1, $2, and $2. So that's the $5 digital coupon that was supposed to come off. But yeah, my Colgate, $4, Tresemme, $4, Febreze, $3, and my Dollar Shave, $1.50. So it brought my subtotal to $39.38. I did use my Walgreens card to pay for that. And then when you look down here where it says earned this visit, I earned $31.34. So $39.38 is what I paid. I earned back $31.34. So that brought my total down to just $8.04. Then I got back $3.25 from checkout 51 for the Mentos. So $8.04 minus the $3.25 that I got back from checkout 51, that brought my total down to $4.79. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards for the Dollar Shave here, and I got back a total of 1,169 points, which is $1.16. So $4.79 minus the $1.16 that I got back from Fetch Rewards, that brought my total down to just $3.63. Then I got back my $3.90 from SHOPKICK for the Dollar Shave. So that brought my total, so that made this transaction completely free, plus a 27-cent moneymaker. Then I got back my $1 from IBOTTA for the Airheads. So that made the transaction free, plus a $1.27 moneymaker. And don't forget, I did get back my $1.49 registry reward for the Airheads. But you remember how I told you guys that they had to cancel my first transaction? Well, they had to re-ring me up. So $149 printed off in my first transaction, and then they just told me to go ahead and keep it when they rung up my transaction correctly the second time. So this is a total of $2.98. So $1.27 minus the $2.98 that I got in registry rewards, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $4.25 moneymaker. Now, one thing I forgot to mention is that 2 of my digital coupons did not come off. So this is the $3 for the Febreze plug-in. I also had a 3 off for 2 for the Febreze fabric, but that did not come off. And then I also noticed that my $2 digital coupon did not come off for my Oral-B toothbrush. So that's a total of $5 that I contacted customer service about, and they did go ahead and credit that $5 to my account. So $4.25 minus the $5 that I got back from customer service, that made this transaction completely free, plus a $9.25 moneymaker. So I know that there was a lot, guys, and I hope you all kept up with me. But that is going to be it for this video, you guys. Don't forget to submit your receipts to Fetch Rewards. If you are not using Fetch Rewards, I will have that linked in the description box below, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive 2,000 points, which is $2. Also, if you are not using IBOTTA, I will have that linked in the description box below as well, along with my code on the screen for you. When you sign up using my code, you will receive $10 when you redeem your first rebate through IBOTTA. So again, you guys, I hope you all liked this video. If you did, please give me some thumbs up. Let me know in the comment section what deals you guys are doing this week, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye.